Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to do a simple Gua Sha full face massage. First I start with moisturizing my face and I use my hyaluronic acid gel. After that I use my hydration serum to keep the moisture on my skin. And then I use my eye cream and I apply it so gently all over my eyes. Now that I make sure my skin is moisturized, I start my massage and I start with my neck lymphatic massage. Next exercise is for facelift, and you just glide your Gua Sha smoothly from your neck up to your cheeks. Now I move up to my jawline and I do the jawline sculpting massage, and I do it for 10 times on both sides. Exercise number 4 is a very effective one which lifts the cheeks, the jowls, lip corners, and also it reduces smile lines. I go up to my eyes and I do this massage to reduce the puffiness over the eyes and also hooded eyes. Today's exercise is a very quick one, so I collected some of the most effective exercises that are useful and easy for a daily massage. Exercise number 6 is to lift the eyes. It gives the eyes that foxy look, which I'm kind of obsessed with. So I start with the outer corner of my eyes and I go to my scalp by vibrating and massaging upwards and outwards. Now we're going to lift the eyebrows, and I gently and super slowly lift my brows upwards and outwards for 5 times. And of course, I don't forget my frown lines. This exercise is one of the exercises that I do every day because I tend to frown a lot. The lifting exercise, which is for forehead wrinkles. So I do this massage for 3 parts on my forehead, the middle part and the sides, and I just glide and slide my Gua Sha slowly and so gently, vibrating it upwards and outwards into my scalp. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked my video and thank you for watching. See you in next month. Bye.